Are you noticing sloping or cracking in your concrete and you're not sure how to fix the issue? If so, you came to the right place. In this video, I'll talk about how deep injection works. Hi, I'm Nolan, the sales director of AccuLevel. My family's been in the foundation repair business for over 20 years, so I've seen my fair share of foundation issues. So how does deep injection work? Deep injection works by using a rod driven into the ground at various different depths, slowly removing that rod and creating a pillar as well as stabilizing the soil around it. When you're doing this, engineers may specify exactly how deep each rod needs to be, as well as how far those rods need to be placed apart, depending on your soil types and what you're trying to achieve. So for example, if you're trying to achieve foundation stabilization, those rods might need to go deeper than, say, that you are trying to fix a patio or even a driveway. So that is figured into the placement and the depths of each rod to give your structure the best chance of stability. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you decide if deep injection is right for you or not. If you want to learn more about deep injection, click the link in the description and you'll be able to read our blog on this topic. Be sure to like and subscribe.